Hey guys, Patrick here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add the lead generation form from Tint Wiz to your website by using their embed code. So stay tuned, it's all coming up. This video is brought to you by SolarFX. At SolarFX Window Films, their goal is simple: make your car look hotter while keeping your interior cooler. Their automotive window films are manufactured with the most advanced technologies available, which allow them to deliver a broad range of products to meet your needs. From varying depths of warranty coverage and a selection of quality films to choose from, SolarFX is confident they have the film you need to succeed. Check out SolarFXWindowFilms.com to find out why they're the fastest growing film company in the US. So I just built a brand new website and I use Tint Wiz as my go-to for everything for the business and organizing everything. So what they have in there is an ability to have a lead generation form in Tint Wiz. So I was able to go ahead and add that lead generation form and integrate it within my website seamlessly. So it looks like it's just part of the website, but in actuality, they're filling out a lead generation form that automatically gets sent to my Tint Wiz account. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So if we go over here to my screen here, now I'm at the Tint Wiz dashboard right now, and I am going to be going over to the lead forms right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on lead forms, and right here, this cog right here, you're going to go ahead and click that. Now this is going to give you your lead generation form, kind of like contact information. So what you're going to do here, if you want to share the link, you can share the link. I can copy this and now I can send this via email or over the phone, via text, a number of different ways, and then that could link them to the form itself, and then they could fill that out and it could be sent over to my website, or not to my website, to my Tint Wiz account, excuse me. Or in this section here, this is the embed code that you can use to go ahead, and it's basically going to take the code for the lead form and go ahead and set it up on your website. Now this is really cool. The form here, the lead form here, you're actually able to go ahead and edit the settings, right? And you can go ahead and change the parameters. Like before, I added vehicle year, make, and model because clearly I am more focused on mobile, automotive mobile. So I want to know that what is the year, make, and model. I put if applicable just in case they were asking for flat glass and things of that nature. But you can add in different information that you would deem necessary or like required, right? But like again, you're just getting some brief information, trying to figure out exactly what the client's looking for and how to get back in touch with them. And then this way we can go ahead and send them a proposal as well. But anything you edit here, and you can go get down here and save changes, and automatically it's updated within the lead generation form. I did the original embed code, and then after the fact I added this, and all I did is hit save changes, and it automatically uploaded and saved or updated the information on my website. So let me go back here. We're going to go back to lead forms, and we're going to go to this cog. I want to embed the code into my website. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'll just hit click, and it copies the link. Now I'm going to go over to my dashboard here. Again, I used Wix.com, and this process is going to be a little bit similar, basically similar, but different with Squarespace or WordPress or anything else you use. So this is going to be more specific to Wix.com, but if you have those other ones, it should be pretty simple and easy as well. So from here, this is the dashboard where I can change a number of different things within the website. And up here, it says add. And then I'm going to go to add, and then down here it says page. I'm going to go ahead and click page, and it's going to bring me all the options I have available. And let me see here. That might not be the one I want. Section to page. There we go. That's it. Excuse me. So I want to add section to page. So what this is going to do is it's going to add, and I can select this blue area is where the section's going to be, right? So you can add a section to the page, and then on the right, the far left here, I'm going to go down and it's going to say embed code right here, HTML embed. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. And then what's going to happen is you can go ahead and choose the style, right? So this area is going to be where the embed code information is going to lie. And then you can have your own information. I think mine says get in touch. And then it says for more information or something of that nature, go ahead and fill out this form. And so this is the one. Let me go ahead and just choose this one. Right now, this is going to add this page to my website. Okay, so this is what the raw one looks like, and then this right here is what it looks like after the fact. Right, so this says get in touch if you're interested in getting more information or a quote for your specific needs. Please fill out the included form. So what I'm going to do here is, now that I'm in this area right here, this is where you can type out all the information of what you want to do. Please fill form out. Okay, you can have that. And then from here, you're going to go see it says HTML. You're going to go to settings. And then from here, you're going to paste that code right here. And then it says HTML code or website. You want to make sure you're clicking on HTML code right here. Come in this section right here. I'm going to paste it because that's the code that I had before. I'm going to go and going to hit enter. Boom, there you go. And now the form is there. And then you can go ahead and the title says embed section, but here you can say contact us, something like that. Now this embed subsection here, I just clicked that and got rid of that because I just need 2 places, right? But I mean, the Wix, you can change this all you want and edit all you want. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and add the page, add the embed code to your website. And now again, your client's going to come to your website and see this. And let's go ahead and go over to the website itself. So this is the actual live website, right? So when it's launched and it's ready to go, I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Boom. And this is where the information is right here. Now they can go ahead and fill out all this information. And then once they are done with this information, then they submit information. It automatically gets updated and sent here. And let's go ahead and just test that out. No, I don't want to test it out actually, because I don't want you to see my information. But trust me, it automatically gets sent to your lead generation form. So when you go to your dashboards, it will say leads added, and then that's it. And then you're able to go ahead and contact that client and get something set up. So not a yeah, I thought this was really helpful, and I figured I'd spread the word. This was beneficial to me. I think, like I said, if you're integrating 2 different things, TintWiz and my website from Wix, then being able to add those 2 together, or adding that lead generation form, it just flows so fluidly, and it looks like it's part of the website, but in actuality, it's actually sending the information over to TintWiz, which is basically how I'm organizing my entire company. So I hope that was helpful, guys. I hope you liked that video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this, if this was helpful to you, or if you use, if there's other ways that you think might be more beneficial, then let me know in the comments. Let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it today. Thank you very much, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.